Hi everyone, this is Olaolumoronkola from Lamp Media Touch. In this video, I want to show you how to set up standard business card size in Adobe Illustrator. The first thing you need to do is to create an artboard, file, new. So when you click on that, this panel will be displayed. So you are going to set up the standard business card size is 3.5 by 2, which is here. So you ensure your unit of measurement is set to inches. Then since you are taking your design for printing, so the color mode should be in CMYK and it must be in high resolution. It is recommended that it be in high resolution. Then you click on create. Yeah, this is our standard business card size, but for us to have a perfect trimming of our design, if you have backgrounds that need to flow to the edges, so we have to create a bleed area, the bleed marks. So in order to create the bleed marks, you have to go to file, document setup. Then it is recommended that the card should have 1/8 inches bleed around it. So you now need to enter that 1/8 is 0.125 inch. So it means that we are creating 0.125 bleed around our artboard. So once it is set, this button has been locked. That's why I just input it into one place and the other settings were also changed simultaneously. So once you are done with that, then you click OK. This is the bleed mark. So when you start to design, you can extend your design or background to these edges, but when you later print out, the cutting edge will be around this place. So this is the trim size for our business card. So as you are about to design, there is still other area that we need to set up, which is the safe area for our design. That area where you would not want your text to flow out of, so that will not enter into the trim size. So what you need to set that one is to draw a rectangle that will fit inside this place. So that bleeding mark should also be 1/8, like 0.125 from the edge of the trim size. So how do you do that? Since we already know that this one is 3.5 by 2, so it means that this size will be lesser. So just go to properties panel here, then you input the size. So since the width is 3.5 before, so if you are subtracting 0.25 from it, so it will give us minus 0.25. so it will give us this size. So for the vertical also 2, it is 2, so minus 0.25, so we have this size, but we have to let it be at the center. So how do you do that? Just click on it, click on the rectangle, then you come here and align to page. Click here, then click here. So it means that we aligned it to the center horizontally and also to the center vertically. So the next thing is to turn this shape into a guideline, since we are not really going to use it. So just turn it to guideline by going to view, guidelines, then make guidelines. So what we selected, you just make it into a guideline. So it has become a guideline for us. So from here you can start making your design. Maybe you need to draw a very big shape first, so you ensure that it flow out from the trim size. So you can add the color. So to ensure or to double check if you are still designing in the correct color mode, you can simply come and click on the color panel here, then click on this button. So you see that the CMYK color mode is checked. So that is it. So if you are trying to pick a color and the color is not really coming up as you want, you can pick the exact color from the color swatches here, or you double click on this left side button, then input the CMYK value or input the S code value here. So that's how you continue making your design. So you ensure that important text, icons and everything are not parts are not flowing out of this trim area. So when you put your text like this, so you ensure that your text is not going out of this safe area. So thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time. Please, you can encourage me, subscribe to this channel and share it to someone that you think will need this kind of help. Thank you very much. See you next time.